In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from OneDrive efficiently. Whether you're looking to free up some storage space or just tidy up your digital files, we'll explore the quickest and easiest way to remove those unwanted documents. Let's get started and make your OneDrive experience smoother and more organized. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Once you're there, you need to log in using your Microsoft account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your username and password handy, as you'll be directed to the login screen. Enter your credentials, and once logged in, you will be taken to the home page. You should now see all your folders and files neatly organized. Take a moment to locate the files you wish to delete. If you're having trouble finding specific files, you can use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name of the file you're looking for, and it should appear in the list of search results. This feature is particularly helpful if you have a large volume of files stored. Once you've found the file you want to delete, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a small circle icon appearing on the left side. Click this circle to select the file. If you want to delete multiple files at once, you can continue clicking on the circles next to other files without releasing your control key, which allows you to select multiple items seamlessly. Selecting multiple files can help speed up the process if you're planning on clearing out a large amount of content at once. After selecting the files to delete, look towards the top of the page where you'll see a Delete option in the toolbar. Go ahead and click this button. You'll see a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to delete the selected files. It's worth noting that once you delete these files, they'll be moved to the OneDrive recycle bin. So, if you happen to make a mistake, don't worry. You will be able to recover them later. Confirm your choice by clicking Delete. The files are now moved to the recycle bin. To completely free up space, you need to empty the recycle bin. Head over to the navigation pane on the left side and click on Recycle Bin. Here you'll find all files you've deleted. Review them if necessary, then click on Empty Recycle Bin at the top to permanently remove these files from your storage. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've not only learned how to delete files on OneDrive but also how to manage your storage more effectively by clearing out the recycle bin. Remember, cleaning up regularly can help you keep a more organized digital life. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!